Let's go. Hey Sandy, Arts, Beth, Crystal, Bella, GGT, Virus. The virus is let's go Scotty, Prem, hi. Amber, hi. K Benz, hello Apes. Hello. Ignacio, hello. Uh Crystal, hello. Mono, hello. Steven, hi. Mono, hello. Andrew, hello. Obam, hello. E. Johnson, hello. Uh, Noir, hello. Josh, hi. Mindy, top of what? Rugged, hello. I see it, top left. Top, oh, Algorand. Oh, Algorand deserves to be, it's, when you talk about gains, is Algorand considered, like, is that considered gains? I don't know. You might know what, ignore this, all this big circles here and focus on, you know, you know. Aloha, aloha. Ryan Abe says, "What's up, everyone? Hello, guys. Hi, E. Is it is this really live? Yeah, it's live. Well, live, guys. Welcome to the night stream. There you go. Hi, 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 hi. There you go. Hola, 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 Queen. Hola, hola, hola. Hmm. Shiba for life. Hello, guys. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let me take a look at the daily bubbles. Yeah, those daily bubbles look good, right? Even SafeMoon is on the list. That's a thing. SafeMoon is on the list. Well, I don't know why I say that's a thing. But again, so SafeMoon is on the list. Most of these names have done really well, right? You take a look at Bitcoin here, for example. It's what, 42.6, which is nice. Which is nice. Will DWAC ever pull back to 50s? Not sure, Giant. We'll talk about that tomorrow morning on Discord. So come join us in Discord, Giants. Come join Discord. And then you can ask. This is crypto only. This is just a hangout. So I won't be talking about DWAC. I aim to misbehave. Hey guys, where is your 1 inch? Is 1 inch on the list here, guys? I feel like we should give 1 inch more attention. Over what's the other one called? Algorand. Uh, Larry. Hello, Larry. Hello, hello, hello. Queen, the questionable. What's on this list, Jim? Not quite sure why this thing's moving. Not sure why this thing's up 67% here, but I'm sure we're gonna have to take a look, right? It's gone from what, 4, right? So it's had a really strong run. Not sure why yet, but yeah, we're gonna have to um not gonna say anything. FTM has done really well. Rose has done really well. A lot of these names have done well. If your name is up less than 10%, I think you're slacking, right? So stuff like algo slacking, right? So uh, you know, look at that, BTBT near 12%, right? Omi 11%, Gala basically 10%, right? So most of Doge is beating algo in terms of performance. Unbelievable. um hey Robert, hello, hello, hello. It needs attention in order to respond. Unbelievable, Andrew. I'd brag about having 1 inch plays, Wakov. You have 1 inch, don't worry. Andrew has 1 inch, Noah has 1 inch. um yeah, I want to tell you. How's the hot rates coin doing? Oh yeah, where's the hot rates coin, guys? It's always on here. Can't see it. Can't see it, Scotty. Interesting. No, I don't see it yet, so I'm sure it's gonna show up at some point here and beat Algorand, but just kidding. Uh, um, called my call out Andrew. No, I'm saying the 1 inch coin. That's what I'm saying. The 1 inch coin, guys, is what I'm referring to. That's what Andrew has. The 1 inch, 1 inch. Did don't discriminate. Give 1 inch some attention, and it's gonna grow. Okay, there you go. Let me take a look at this. What's yeah, 26 billion. A little more volume than what we've seen the last few days, right? So, which is really good. So, again, Bitcoin has done well, guys. We talked about $40,000, right? Can we just hold 40? 40, 40, 40, right? So we're holding it. So again, now can we again? So we got back about 42K, right? So we're looking for 45. I know 43 is another level there to watch. 45, and then we can start pushing for the 50s, right? And then we can say this whole drop is behind us. And then we can start to see names like Shiba, right? I'll take a look at Shiba, of course, and Doge and stuff like that, right? But most of these names are going to be waiting for Bitcoin to actually get above a key level before they get like these 20% runs, right? So, yeah. Let's see here. I'd have to uh, after dark, a delightful, decent. Then, unbelievable, Scotty. Unbelievable. Talk about less than 1 inch. What do you mean less than 1 inch, Doge? Less than 1 inch? No, no. Come on, don't do Doge like that. Can't be doing Doge like that. So that's the 15. Now I just want to take a look at the daily here, for the most part. Sand is on well, 8%, right? So BTBT, we talked about that already. Matic, Crystal, doing really well. What else? Again, FTM. I know some of you guys are holding FTM as well. It's done really well, 18%, right? So if your name is outperforming the recovery, that's a really good step, right? So again, FTM rose 25%, right? Uh, 12%. Again, where's Algorand? Is it still on the list or just lost it all? Unbelievable. It's competing with 1 inch. So SafeMoon 8.8%, right? So Shiba needs to do better still. But again, Gala and most of these names have recovered nicely. So if you bought the dip, I'm sure you're really happy. Really, really happy. After SNL, yep. It's just a pub. 1 inch, more than enough. Okay, sounds good. Green chart. Save Moon. Look at that, guys. We have a new member. We have a new member, guys. I'm not sure what you signed up for. So give me a second. It's gonna show up there. Yeah. Cake. Yeah. I'm sure Noir's. I hope Noir's wife bought the dip. So yeah, a trader. Let's go, Ryan. We have a new member, guys. Ryan Abe. Welcome to the family. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So come join us in Discord. We can talk about stocks, crypto, whatever we need to talk about. So if you have any questions, send me a message, send me a DM, and we can set up a call or something. Right. So again, welcome. So how do you join Discord? All you have to do is go to YouTube's. Right. So go to YouTube's, and then you want to search hot trades. Hot trades, hot trades, hot trades, and then you want to click on the name, the logo, right? And then go to the community tab, right? So go to the community tab here. The last post you're gonna see um, is a Discord link, right? So click on that link. It's gonna take you to the Rose channel, right? So click again. So click on the link, Rose channel. Read that information. Click on the cookie at the very bottom of the Rose channel, and then go to the getting started channel after that. Second step, right? Getting started, and follow those images with the right email that you use here on YouTube, and you should be good to go. Welcome, Ryan. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you have any questions, if that link isn't working, let me know here, and I'll send you a new one because it might not. Or just send me an email. Email at the top of the screen there. So again, welcome, 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 welcome. XYM. Yeah, I want to take a look at some of these charts. Some of these charts, and then we can we can just hang out and talk about whatever we need to talk about. Staking. Danielle, yeah. What's Mindy saying? What do you think about rolls? I'll take a look. A lot. Coin. It's the wow. So is that what Mindy's pointing to? It's not the size of the coin. It's the motion in the ocean. Get that rubbish out of here. What's that rubbish? What motion in the ocean? I'll take a look. I'll take a look, Tirego. Um, Greener, or just no? Those bubbles are greener. These bubbles are greener than they have been for the last week or so, Queen. Right. So we've seen some nice green names. We've had a nice sell-off. Bitcoin is recovering, and the rest of the market is recovering as well, right? So, Fabio, do you have Instagram? Yeah, we do. Instagram is at the top right-hand corner. So is Twitter, right? So at the top of your screen there, Instagram _hot trades. Yeah. And again, if you want to come join us in Discord, right? If you want to join us in Discord, here's the link, right? So come join us. Come join us It's showing up in the chat right now from Nightbot. So come join us, and yeah, don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe, all the fun stuff. And what makes the best bubbles after a Taco Bell? Taco Bell. Is that thing even working? Is Nightbot even working, guys? This thing has been slacking. It's been absolutely slacking. You know what's wrong with it? I'm enjoying the green. I'm sure William different kind of green thing. Yeah. I'm not sure why Nightbot isn't working here. I don't know if the timeline needs to be updated. Needs to be updated maybe. Don't think I changed anything. Yeah, so if you want to do come join us in Discord, you can just click on the join beside your dollar sign. In you beside you on the left hand side of your live chat there. So let me take a look at some charts here, guys. I can take a look at FTM there, Napoli again. So if you have a question, if you can clarify your question in terms of like, well, if I'm in a position, looking for a position, right? Blah blah blah. If you can clarify your question, it really helps, right? So let me know. Alrighty, guys. Let me see if uh Taco Bell. Yeah, yeah, that's Bitcoin again. I can put up more charts here, but I want to run through a few charts before we put up some names to watch. See what news we have here with Bitcoin, guys, or if there's anything that we should be looking at, right? So, here's why bulls shouldn't be afraid. Wow, look at that. So this article came out today. So Bitcoin a dead cross. Here's why bulls shouldn't be afraid. Um, Bitcoin is on track to flash and Omnimus, a technical indicator called the dead cross. Later this week, the uber bearish indicator occurs when the 50-day simple moving average dips below the 200-day moving average, right? Short term below long term average. That's a dead cross term, indicating a decisive bullish to bearish shift in the market sentiment. You know what? I'll ignore that. I think we have some levels to watch that are more important, right? So most of the time when you see indicators like this, right? Most of the time when you see these indicators, they lag, right? They come after, most of them come after the fact. So you want to be careful with some of those indicators. So embrace Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba payments. Oh wow, who's this? So Nasdaq listed real estate company to embrace Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu payments. The Washington-based. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. So the Washington-based real estate firm Harbor Custom Development will reportedly start accepting digital currencies as payments for its residential homes, apartments, and condominiums. Look at that, guys! You can now buy a home. This is nothing new, right? So this is nothing new here. It's always nice. Like the reason we get excited about stuff like this is just because again, so crypto acceptance, it's always nice, right? So nothing special there. Ethereum NFT are digging. No skulls. Okay, cool. Believe Bitcoin. Wow, look at only 5. Okay, never mind. Only 5% of JP Morgan's clients believe Bitcoin will reach $100,000 in 2022. Well, I mean, that's not anything to be concerned about. I bet you only 5% of JP Morgan's clients believe in crypto at all, right? So, so saying only 5% of them believe it's going to 100K doesn't mean anything, right? So how many of them actually believe in crypto in general? So you have to be aware to say, okay, well, I don't think it's going to that price, right? You can't just be there you go. Clients do not expect this year the large capital despite numerous predictions from exports. In fact, finished downtrend continue cool. Never mind. Never mind. Shiba holders can now earn interest. Okay, cool. Yeah. No, I just wanted to quickly see if there's anything special. So if you see it, I had burger from Burger King. Yeah. Okay. The other 90, right, Andrew? The other 95% think it's going to $200,000. Yep. Right. So, uh, like only 5%. It's like okay, nine out of 10 dentists I say will be good, right? Um, it's like okay, well, uh, have the other 95% actually ever looked at crypto? So um, Oh man, why do these streams always make me hungry? Doesn't even eat. Yeah, I know. I don't know why these streams are making you hungry. It's because people talk about food. Maybe just brought up food. Stuart, hey yo, your 1 inch brother. Oh no, who's your 1 inch brother? Who is that? Is that is that Andrew or is that Noir? Um, is it good to buy to you? What do you think it can go past $5? Oh, Napoli FTM. I'll take a look at FTM. So again, Stuart can maybe answer your question in the chat as well. It's up 18.5%, right? So it's done really well. Um, not sure how accurate this is based again comparing that to the chart. So I have to take a look. How do you not love the other green thing? The other green thing? What's the other green thing? What's the other green thing? Getting better. La la la. Average. Can you take a look? Uh, Algorand. Uh, maybe I can take a look at Algorand. Algorand is the last thing on that I would take a look at. So let me take a look at Shiba here first. Um, um, So Shiba, right? Again, so as Bitcoin continues to recover here, Shiba is gonna go on. It's gonna go right. So for now, we're waiting. We're playing this waiting game here. You take a look at this chart. Honestly, it's like barcode every few minutes, right? Barcode for 5 minutes, create a new range. Barcode, 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 right? So most of these names are waiting for Bitcoin to actually clear some key levels, right? As always, right? So we need to clear $50,000. We need to clear 45, right? And then these names can give us those 20% runs, 30% runs, right, and stuff like that. So yeah, again, Shiba's done well trying to recover, right? So again, what are we looking for here? Potentially 30, right? So when I say 30, again, you guys know what I mean, right? So get back into that new back into a new range. None of this like 27, 28. Not a whole lot to say about this, guys. Just Bitcoin, right? So Dogecoin, same thing. Same thing here. What are we at? 15? Okay. Yeah. I mean, I feel like Dogecoin needs a lot more in terms of like recovery. They actually need a catalyst. They need something. They need something special. They need something, right? So uh that's 12 month back. Let's say what? Burger? Spicy? Yeah, okay. I've never had one. I'm using it for I I've never had like one of those like non what would I even call them? Let's just say veggie burgers, veggie. So you're saying there's a chance? Sure, maybe. There's a long list. So again, Dogecoin, guys, Doge has some really good support at 16 cents, right? So we know that, right? 16 cents was a really good. Well, maybe I shouldn't call it support now, but we had a really good level at 16 cents here. So now that we're sitting below that level, that's going to be the first level that you look for in terms of like a recovery. We need to reclaim that level again. Doge needs it needs something, right? So I bet you what happens here is if Doge doesn't get a catalyst or anything, right? Bitcoin recovers to 60K and Doge goes to 25 cents again. It's like, okay, well, what happened, right? You know what just happened? Nothing, right? It's a nice recovery, but it hasn't gone anywhere. So again, there needs to be something else. Whether it's Elon announcing something, whether it's more utility in terms of like speed, transaction speed, like something with the thing they've been working on, right? So they need to give us something here. Let me take a look at what else. Let me take a look at ADA here, guys. The algo competitor. It's not, but I just want to take a look. So, can you believe ADA was all the way down to? Let me take a look at the daily chart here. Wow, ADA, guys, that's a really nice buy level. Not gonna like no joke at all. Like around $1 here. 2 days ago, around $1, Crystal, for ADA. By Rose, he means algo. Since when did algo become Rose? There's totally a chance. Queen, why is there a chance? Still a good buy in this price, yeah. Right? Can you tell us about Safe Moon? Absolutely, Queen. Safe Moon. Queen, you should have never sent those smiley face, those laughing, sweaty faces. Because now I can't even answer your question. Well, you bought some ADA on sale, Christy. Nice, right? So that's not a bad level at all. You can see that we bounced off this level multiple times around $1 here, right? So that's not a bad entry, right? So that's a really good entry, So yeah, ADA around $1, guys. This thing, wow, $1 from three to it. Wow. Okay. You, how are you gonna send me like you ask me a question and then send me some laughing faces? How do I answer your question? Is my how do I answer your question now? Again, so ADA, right? Everything is Bitcoin, guys. At least for now, right? So at least for now, the only thing that we're paying attention to is Bitcoin. So, um, they don't have rows on here, if I can spell it right. Um, what do I do? Let me see if I can find something else here. Rosa. So are you in a position there for Rose? What are we scalping, Marlo? What are we scalping? What's Terego? What's your position in Rose? Let me know what your entry price is, and I'll take a look. Oh, like Rose hasn't done too bad actually. Looking at this chart, this is completely different from like most crypto charts, right? Which is a good sign. Really good sign here. I mean, we seem to be struggling here, 50 cents, right? Uh, but it's hitting all time highs, which is a really good sign. So let me know. Uh, is VBIG dead? Sorry, you been seeing that? Is VBIG dead? Was it the other day you loaded up, Crystal? Wow. Yeah. 2 days ago we had some nice dips actually. It's safemoon. I need to need to save more. Okay. Na, na, na. Oh no, guys. Yeah, Fabio respond to your message later. Respond later. Oh wow, yeah, Wemix is this thing is really moving, right? It's gone from what like 68%, and it's slowly climbing there. It's about to hit 100%. Um, should I hold, sell, or buy the dip? So we currently don't have any dip right now, Terego. So not sure where you bought it. So maybe that's something you need to let me know as well. That thing looks really good, right? So the fact that everything crypto is sitting like hitting lows, right, or cut in half, and this thing is sitting at all-time highs is a really good sign. Should you be selling, taking profits, or buying the dip? Well, again, that depends on why you bought it in the first place, right? Is it an investment? Is it a scalp, right? If it's not a project that you want to hold forever, which it seems like you're asking that question because you're not overly confident. Well, first things first, I wouldn't be buying again. So I wouldn't be adding to my position here at all-time highs anyways, right? This is not the first time, right, that was struggling at around this level. Again, failed, crash, right? It's a good sign that we keep recovering back to this level. That's a really good sign here for Rose, but I wouldn't be adding to that position here right now. So it looks fine here to me, right? Looks completely fine again. So I need to understand why you bought it in the first place, before we can make a decision on, okay, should I take some profits, right? Yeah. Uh, Queen of Green, watermelon. Oh, watermelon, guys. That's a watermelon. Yeah, that's a watermelon. Everything else is doing Alabama things and failing. Just kidding. And this thing is doing so yeah, let me know where your position is, and I'll take a look, and then we can answer this question again. So if you don't get, so again, so I wouldn't be adding to this position here right now because we're struggling, right? 50 cents, like anywhere when you get to like round numbers like 50 cents, $1, you expect a little bit of struggling, right? So just be careful. Be careful around these ranges here. It's creating somewhat of a cup and handle here as well, right? So that's a good sign. So you can see what we're doing here, somewhat of a cup and handle. That's a really good sign as well. It just needs to keep going here. So my only concern is gonna come, right? So maybe if I were you, I'd consider taking profits if we start struggling here a little bit, and it seems like we're about to get a red candle here as the rest of the market recovers. If we start doing stuff like this, right, retracing lower here, back to the 40s, right, like to 45s, and then maybe I'd consider taking some profits, right? Again, maybe half of those profits, right? Take half of the gains and hold the rest, and then go from there. Um, if we start struggling, la, la, la. There you go. Mm. Anyways, so that's that. What else do I want to take a look at here? I want to take a look at Gala. Oh, is that the right one? I just need to save these stupid things. That's not it. Ooh. I mean, Gala hasn't recovered as much as everything else. Most of these like metaverse names haven't really recovered as much as the other ones here. Um, yeah. Let me see if I can find a better chart here with some more information. Is that what I'm looking for? Yeah. Doesn't really have anything, but so again, Gal looks fine as a long-term position, right? So it needs to reclaim that $36 level here, 30 not $36, 36 cents here. It needs to reclaim that level, right around that moving average here. You're most likely gonna you're gonna get a buy signal as soon as we clear that level, right? Above 36, that's a buy signal there, right? So that's what I'd be looking for there. Yeah, if Bitcoin recovers, most of these names do recover as well, right? So no surprise there. Let me take a look at Mana. La 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 la. Coinbase. Uh, yeah, same thing, right? So it's barely up here today, right? So actually, I think it's just a candle reset there. That's why it's yeah, that's just the candle reset. It's had a nice little recovery. Same thing as Gala. This thing needs to break above that moving average. We need to get back above $3 here, right? Back above $3 to start pushing for 350, and yeah, back in business again. All of this depends on you guys know. So um, la, la, la. Okay, let me catch you to some of these comments, guys. Until it reaches $1, so that's your plan. Okay, well, if I fully believe in the project, it has used nah. And since today, Binance gave them a 40 million, you just nah. Okay, perfect, right, Terego? Perfect. I mean, it seems like you're waiting for $1, and that's what if that's what you're waiting for, that's fine, right? So, you know, wait for $1. Then it's sitting at the all-time highs, which is a really strong signal. Right now, you don't have a reason to sell unless you start struggling and breaking below 45 cents. Then you might have to take like half of those profits, and then if it decides to dip back to the 30s, you can take that same money and buy a bigger position because you believe in it, right? So, and then go from there. Uh. Having our run, which is a great to see. Anything else, guys? Anything else that I should be looking at? Let me know. Any other names you'd like me to look at? Um, I know someone was asking for FTM, so yeah, let me do that actually. No. XRP? Yeah, no, I was gonna look at XRP. La 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 la. Hmm. I know. I usually have what like these things. Yeah, that's why I just need to like have a list that I just save. Because having to okay, I think we've done this one. So FTM is 16%. 1 second here. Okay. Yeah. No, we talked about FTM quite a bit, right? We talked about how this level here is an issue, right, guys? This isn't the first time we talked about FTM. We talked about this level here at three again. So just about $3 here is an issue, right? Every time we get to this level, we struggle, right? Once, twice, three times. So you can see here now again, right? In the last few days here, FTM has struggled around $3, right? So again, that's a level to watch. If we can break above that level and hold above it, then that would be a potential bye bye, right? FTM is now looking for some again, so new greener pastures for Stewart here, right? So again, needs to clear that $2 level. Other than that, there's not a whole lot to say. Again, just be careful. Like I wouldn't be FOMOing in around $3 here, anyways. Why? Because it's a strong level of resistance, right? It's been failing at this level for quite some time now. So again, needs to clear $3 there. Had a great day. There you go. Yeah. La, la, la. Oh yeah, no, it really did. So until la, la, la. All right, let me take a look at XRP. No, is that the right one? Yeah. Again, so this chart looks very similar to everything else, crypto wise. Like I mean, everything else that follows Bitcoin, that's what XRP looks like, right? So, I know the dates being thrown around as to when this lawsuit is going to be thrown out the window, right? And then we might see XRP do some magical stuff like push to $10, push to start running for new all time highs, right? But again, for now, we wait, right? So resistance at 80 cents, 80 cents initially support, right? And then you're looking for a dollar. Not a whole lot, not a whole again. So when you guys ask about most of these names, um, the only thing that you want to be taking a look at, right? So most of you guys are buying XRP as an investment. Like when you buy Algo, when you buy ADA, most of you guys are buying these names as investments, right? So when we take a look at these charts, guys, there's not a whole lot we can say about them because in the back of your mind you're thinking, okay, well, what's Bitcoin doing? What's Bitcoin doing? What's Bitcoin doing? Right. So again, that's the main focus, right? What is Bitcoin doing? So these names are recovering here slightly because Bitcoin is recovering, right? The world is recovering. So again, uh, that's going to be the most important thing to pay attention to, right? So we're recovering nicely, which is what we wanted, right? Again, so we wanted to bounce up this $40,000 level, right? The bottom of the left hand shoulder is sitting at 40K. We bounced there last time, right? On December the 4th, we bounced up 40K as well, and here we are, the last few days trying to hold $40,000, right? So again, we need to hold 40, get back about 42, start pushing for the 50s, right? And most of these names can really start pumping here. So Disney. You've been scaling into XRP, yeah, John. Perfect, right? That's what you should be doing. When you believe in like in these projects, you want to be scaling into them, right? Slowly, not the no rush at all, right? So no rush at all. Mm-mm. Let me take a look at Algo here. Algorand. Is this a stable coin or what? Like, what is this? Beth, did you buy a stable coin? Buy on the 45 cents. I'll take a look. Stewart, ERN? No. What's the actual name, Stewart? I look at a lot of these names. The abbreviations get the tickers get a little bit other hand. Look at the thing. It's like it's like it's can how is where's Beth and Mindy, guys? They're not defending their coin. Algorand. There's not a whole lot to say about Algorand here again. So um Algorand has some pretty cool projects. When like the more you take a look at Algorand, the more you can see that it's actually a nice project, right? In terms of like what they're working on. Since Mindy has been spamming all those like projects in Dubai, and they recently had a thing with again, so Alchemy Pay, right? So an article that just came out with Alchemy Pay there for Algorand, right? So they have a lot of cool stuff, right? In a lot of stuff in in South America, like a lot of projects, right? So you take a look at we defend coins now. We defend. Wow, Queen. We defend. Wow. You're calling Algorand a what coin? How can I say anything? Algo, you're in at $1.13. Some great partnerships, yeah, they do, right? So I'm surprised, like honestly, we don't talk about no, like I'm surprised. The more things I see about Algorand, like I'm surprised this thing is still at $1 or like $2, right? So it should be pushing for the tens and like higher levels. It might be a yeah. Next year, no, please and thank you. No, like I not questioning, not doubting it at all. It just like so we're just having fun. Again, it shouldn't be at this price anyways. It's super slow. Maybe it's gonna have one of those like Solana type runs right this year. So we'll see. Again, let me take a look at Crow here, Crystal. You're looking for 45 cents for potential entry there. Let me see what your question was, Crystal. He forgot. um, Let me take a look at Crystal's question. Uh, proof of stake, Randy. Goodbye on the 45 cents for Crow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Crystal. Yeah, dude, like I just want to tell you, yes. I'm not sure what else to tell you, Crystal. Crow, 45 cents. Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Right. So I was trying to turn around here as everything else crypto, Bitcoin follower, everything else for crypto bounces as well. So again, don't mind 45 cents. What's what about you're planning? You're planning on holding it? Okay. Partial price. Oh, that one doesn't get there. Well, it better get there, Mindy. Better get there. Better get there. We're here for emotional support. So to be all the what coins um have what's why is my music not working? Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. SYS? Sure. Let me take a look. Stuart, I'll come back to your question. I keep what do I think about it? What do I think about this? You're planning on holding it again, so let me know what your initial position is. Again, another one of those plays that looks fine for me here, right? So just let me know. Let me know where you got in at. Seems like you're planning on holding long term. It looks fine here, right? I don't see any super red flags here, unless we start breaking below 90 cents, and then that's an issue. If we break below 90 cents again, and we break below this level and fail to reclaim, like fail to hold, like create a double bottom here. So at the very minimum, right? So we're gonna have some resistance here, right? Like you can see here that we're struggling at that 90 moving average. So that, again, that's an issue, right? So at the very minimum, what you want to have happen is even if we do this and drop, you want to make sure that we hold above this level, right, and then recover. Because once you start breaking below these levels here, right, that's an issue because now we have we could potentially retrace all the way down to 50 cents, right? So you need to make sure we at the very minimum we hold above 80 cents here, right? So again, let me know what your initial entry is and we can take a look. You bought at 50 cents. Okay, so I mean you have a lot of cushion, right? You're up 100% on that position, right, Torrego. So yeah, you're fine. Most of my teeth, yeah. Corinda, take a look at VVS. I'll take a look. I'll take a look when I go to CoinMarketCap there. CoinMarketCap. Ooh, you know what's on here, Scotty? Look at that, guys. The hot trades coin is beating Algorand. Can you believe this? Where's Algorand? It's not even on the list anymore. It just felt so. It's not. Oh, Algorand is right there, right beside it. Look at that, guys. Hot trades and Algorand. Hot trades coin beating Algorand. I mean, that's not a hot trades coin, please and thank you, but it's we call it the hot trades coin. This is no place for Mad Wallace. Who's saying Mad Wallace? Today that Dogecoin to the moon is trending. So anyone that wants Doge to, shouldn't you put out tweets like when you have like, shouldn't he have like shouldn't he have like some type of like I feel like he should have like some type of an exclusive deal with Dogecoin. Like he should have some inside information to be tweeting like every single day, Dogecoin to the moon, Dogecoin to the moon, and nothing's happening. Uh, like what like maybe give us like I don't know. It's to AMC the dead cross Andrew, unbelievable. To AMC, yeah. Karina, what's your position in VVS? No, Crystal, don't agree with that, please. Thank you. Don't agree with that. No, doesn't need inside information. He has a very creative mind. Yeah, he does. No, but how do you keep doing that? How do you keep spamming like Dogecoin to the moon? Like we want to see we want to see some type of news, right? Some type of news, some type of analysis, not just like okay, Dogecoin to the moon when it's going down. Like it's up what like 6%. Like we like Doge, and that's not even a question, right? We like Doge, but it's all the like irrelevant spamming. That's the issue. La la la. Pat Wallace. 25%. Cool. If you like NFT platforms, I check out. Okay. Has lots of massive partnerships to it. Okay, I'll take a look. ERN. I'll take a look, Stuart. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We need a helicopter. Yeah, that's what we need, right? We need something to take us away from the Bitcoin waterfall. Take us from the Niagara Fall. Operation Niagara Falls. That's what Dogecoin needs. The red candle started appearing. It mentions AFC. He doesn't even have to put the chart out anymore. I want to see what these crypto bubbles look like in the last 15 minutes here. Oh no. Um, Little bit of red. Is I'm looking. You know what I'm? Oh, Algo's red. Okay. So is Doge. Hot is no. Yeah, no. Crystal. Yeah, it's green. It's green. It's a good sign. It is. It is. How many followers he has? Zero. Stewart. And um, I'm holding VVS long term, but wanted to know if you like it. It's steady declining. Okay, I'll take a look. Do you know what price did you get in at, Kurinda? It seems like it seems like you made your decision already in terms of like, okay, I'm holding this position long term. I'll take a look. Like, I'll go over to Coin Market Cap here. Maybe I can actually do that now. No. Before I take a look at VVS, I want to take a look at some of these trending names. Most of the time, guys, are absolute rubbish. Like absolute rubbish. Right? Like just one random token that's up 12,000% here with Shiba Hunter. It's called the Shunts. Yeah, I shan't. It's called the Shunts. The Shunts. That's what it's called. Top gainer, guys. Top gainers. The Shiba Hunter. You guys noticed the pattern here. Initially was Dogecoin and the Shiba and the Dogecoin killer and the baby Doge and the mummy Doge and this Doge and that Doge, right? And now that Shiba is taking the spotlight a little bit, now we have the Shiba killer, we have the Shiba hunter, now we have the this Inu, the that Inu, the this and this and this. Yeah, the shunts. But has a Elon Musk traps for you. The SpongeBob Square, guys, is a second gainer here. You killing me? Look at that, SpongeBob Square. Can we just And these things are the top gainers, guys. Think of a name. It exists in the crypto world. Yep, it's called the Spunks. The Spunks, guys. That's a. You see Pikachu on there asking for a friend. No, Pikachu's not gonna be on here. Sorry. I'm not sure what position it's been buying every damn Corinda. Okay, sounds good. It's not. It's not. Not. Oh no! Look at these names. Okay, so the Prime Coin, that's fine. Long Protocol, that's fine. Right. First Dog, okay, whatever. What's with the green chart? There's a coin called Green Chart, and it's up 250%. The symbol is the name is green. Okay. Spark Points, cool. Pork. Mindy, is this Look at this. I bet you Mindy created this coin, guys. This is Yep, Mindy created this coin. Don't let her lie to you. That's look at that. That's this and that. Nope, that's manifesting a green chart. Easy day. Yep. Look at that. Unbelievable. Let's go back. Let's keep going here. Okay, Devil Finance, Moonbeams. Okay. Think of a name like Stuart says. It exists. I'm buying here. Where do you drop $5 at? You drop it at Bitmart or wherever. Check out your boy Koju. No, I'm not taking a look at anything, Stuart. We'll be scalping the SpongeBob coins as soon as the stream is over. You know I'm gonna do it, guys. Just made for breakfast, lunch, and dinner in Canada, right? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Good evening, Noir. Unbelievable. Some of these names are pretty. No queen, no thank you. What did you miss D Rock? I don't know. I don't know where to start. Alrighty, so those are the top gainers, right? Shiba Hunch is on there. Green Chart is on there. What else? SpongeBob just disappeared, guys. Wait. SpongeBob just disappeared. Did that thing just lose? Okay, no. SpongeBob is number two. SpongeBob Square is yeah. There you go. And so I wanted to take a look at VVS here for Corinda here. So you've been buying VVS like there we go. So you're not quite sure what your position is. Hmm. And then that's a little bit difficult then. So I know again. So it looks again. So that looks like it's selling off, right? So I like I haven't looked at any this like fundamentally. So I'm just looking at the chart, and it looks a little bit I know this thing has a lot of hype behind it. People like it, right? But it looks a little bit it's sitting at all-time lows, right? So which is concerning. I think I need to go to the project site and take a look and see what they're actually doing. Scout this morning and said he had enough money for his next 50 meals. Okay, coaches are 31% for the year. Not bad, right? Not bad. What are we jumping into, D Rock? Some Algorand. Try doing. I got confused, so I threw $50 at it. That's your logic, okay? Well, that $50 is now almost to where Pikachu's at. There you go. Anything else you guys would like me to take a look at here, guys, on CoinMarketCap before I unless if you got it when it was when it was 800%, because they're no longer up. There you go. This one called Wino Finance. Yeah, I don't know why they put a silly name in front of it and then they put finance. Like, why do that? Why? Isn't for me personally. Yeah. I don't know. Some of these. Nah. I'm buying the top on SpongeBob coin right now and selling at the bottom. SpongeBob. You know what, guys? Let me take a look at SpongeBob. For some reason, it just keeps disappearing. Yeah, SpongeBob is gone again for some reason. Like this thing is playing games. It's doing the whole SpongeBob laugh. Right, number two on the list. It's no longer on the list now. Unless it's lost all those gains already. It's gone. Why? I don't know. SpongeBob is now at the bottom. So da, da, da. Tell me a quick 2x coin I'm gonna have. Tell me 2x. What's your time frame? Most of these coins are gonna 2x, right? Most of these good names are gonna 2x easily, right? ADA, easy 2x, right? Algorand, if it decides not to be a stable coin anymore, easy 2x, right? So again, XRP, lawsuit, easy 2x, right? Most of these like metaverse names, right? Easy 2x, right? So again, depends on your timeline. Um, 100 to learn. You had a with $100 to learn and it's down to $72 now. That's okay. Crypto, long-term investments. Hold it and you will prevail. Yeah, you will prevail. Can you Age of Gods in Zelda? Age of Gods? I know you've been playing that one really nicely. You know what? Like, I just wanted to leave this up for a little bit here so I could take a look at the other names. I say Age, right? Age of Knights, Age of Gods, Age of Tanks, Fight for the Ages, Age of the Gangs, Business Age of Empire. When is Jasmine gonna pop up, Ruben? Hopefully soon. In all seriousness, the Wemix gap was 100% at one point within the past 24 hours. No, yeah, exactly right. So, yeah, it's like it's the top gainer. Let me take a look at the Age of Gods here, guys. Age of Gods. No, you've done really well with this name here, these two. So, um, yeah. What's this here actually? I want to go back. So that's okay. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah, no, this thing's had a nice run here in the. It's had a nice run. Like it hasn't really had that sell off like most of these names, right? These three, like it's done fine. It's holding a nice base here around like 80 cents here too. So that's not bad at all, right? It's finding some nice support at 80 cents. That's perfect. Don't mind it at all actually. So 80 cents, then you have 72. Right, we have a triple bottom and a top and a triple top as well as 72 cents there. So not bad at all. Age of what? What do you mean why the sudden pump? Joy says why the sudden pump? Because it should be pumping because it's a recovery because it's just a technical bounce. Right? You don't want these things to, you expect crypto to just keep going down forever. Joy, no, bounce, bounce, bounce. Right? You may go and buy some more. Okay. La age is your jam and waiting for the lawsuit to be over and it'll balloon. Yeah, I think that's what a lot of people are waiting for, right? Again, for XRP to close out that lawsuit, right? So yeah, XRP. I remember the first time I heard about XRP. I was in Toronto. And streaming about just like not streaming yet, but just like doing videos, right? And I was talking to some guy about crypto and whatnot, and he's like, "Yeah, you need to buy you need to we like you need to buy XRP," and that thing was like 25 cents at the time there, and it's done really well. After it's done really well from like 25 cents. Again, so the only thing that most people are waiting for is a lawsuit. So shout out to my to morning anchor. Ask me every other week. Odie, watch wait, let me see. Shout out to Morning Anchor. Keeps asking me every week what you said. It said in this stream. Watch watch this in the morning. Ernie, wake up early, 9 a.m. Eastern, or earlier than that. Search Hot Trades on YouTube. Come watch us for some stocks, right? Ernie, no slacking, right? No slacking. I sent Yami a gift already. You need to show your boss. If you don't want to show up to work, right? So, here you go. When menace, when chaos, when sleepless nights. I can't like I'm ready for those like sleepless nights. Like those explosives. Okay, no. I don't feel like I wanna go to a Chinese restaurant, so I'm gonna skip that song for now. Pumping because Hot Rates is live. Yeah, I'm slowly catching up to these comments, guys. Uh, was waiting for more discounts. You're waiting for more discounts, Joy. Again, right? You have to you have like if you believe in stuff, you have to scale in, right? So because if you're waiting for discounts, waiting for more and more and more, you might miss it, right? So just be careful. Wait. You got scammed $4,000. That's why you're asking for 2x coins. You got scammed. What did you do? What did you do that you got scammed, Munaf? Huh. $4,000. Ernie, Zuniga? Okay. Zuniga. Mm. There are not a lot of questions, but I'm just skipping them. La, la, la. Is a great scalper coin as long as you have the low fee. Yeah, fees. Yeah. Oh yeah, the 24 hours crypto stream. Yeah, absolute madness and gains. He sent coins to William. um, are we live for Memorex? William says, "Let's go." What are you doing awake, William? What time is it in Europe, in the Netherlands? What is it like, 3 a.m.? Let's go. Let's go, William. Currencies. How many different cryptocurrencies do I own? Oh, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. Not just like my accounts, just like family members that are lazy. That I just like random stuff for them, right? So just like stuff like that. There's a lot of rubbish. All about those sleeves is nice. Yeah. Don't buy anything with Inu other than sheep, and stay away from WhatsApp Ranger. Yeah. How do you keep up with it? It's just you buy it, right, and then you forget about it. That's what I do. Buy it, forget about it, and then come back in 5 years. If it's still there, amazing. To anyone scamming people big time, yeah. No. What's up, Fabian? Hey yo. Oh no, like yeah. No. Invested in Casa pre-sale, but now I get to the whole website. It's a scam. Oh yeah, the pre-sale. Okay, that's unfortunate. Honestly, Manav, that's unfortunate. I just ask Mindy about getting scammed. Uh, is an undercover whale. 85 years later. No, like I play with a lot of these names. And I'm not really looking for FOMO names. Like I'm looking for like solid stuff, and like I'm throwing a little bit of money in there that I don't need in like, or like I'm okay saying, okay, well, I was gonna spend this $100 buying a pair of shoes anyways, but I'm gonna put it here anyways and just forget about it, right? It's like pretend it's gone, right? And bye bye, and I'll come back in whenever, right? So don't want to be a crypto's no way I yeah, totally aware. It's in driveways for all the free AMC popcorn. I wish AMC would squeeze so I could you know so I could have a 18 driveways queen. A lot of scammers in Telegram and Discords. Yeah, exactly. So, what's the correlation between how the crypto market does and the stock market in a given way? What's the correlation? Maybe you guys can answer this question as well, right? So, what's the correlation between how the crypto market does and the stock market on a given day? So again, crypto is a lot more volatile, right? So, um, crypto again. So crypto, for the most part, I treat it as, should be treated as an investment, right? So we play with a lot of these. So again, maybe again, so most of these names should be treated as investments, right? So I'm looking for a way to connect the two here, crypto and stonks. So again, so personally, like when I look at crypto, like the names that I want to play are names that I look for as an investments, right? So again, what's the feed again? So when I take a look at the metaverse, I'm like, oh wow, okay, so that's something that I can look at for the future, right? So I'm looking for some of these names, right? Okay, cool, that's fine. Well, there are also other names, right? Names like these Inus that could potentially blow up like 1,000% and you make some really solid gains, right? They're names like that. In that sense, yeah, they're connected to some of these penny stocks we play during the day, right? So we have most of these movers, right, during the day that we play that are just very explosive, but you want to lock in those gains, right? You have some names like that in crypto as well. So you're just again collecting profits, right, to build your longer term position. So you can do either or, right? Again, you can play the long term potential there, like the metaverse or XO, so like some of these like longer term names, right? Or you can play like these explosive names in crypto. You can do that in the stock market as well, right? And yeah, carrots. What's the carrot for? What's Fabian? Thank you for the super sticker. Let's go. Thank you, Fabian. Stocks go faster. Stocks age you faster. Yeah. Again, so when it comes to like if you buy the right names, Tom, like in crypto, right? For the most part, even if you do lose like your money, right, you know that you could recover like way quicker, right? You can recover your money way quicker in the crypto market if you buy the right names. If you don't get rock pulled, right? But in the stock market, if you buy something that's questionable and it crashes 50%, you're waiting for years. Like you're waiting for a long time for that stuff to recover, right? So, what crypto will they use in the metaverse? Oh, there are quite a few names, right? There's stuff like again, so this mana, this sand. Let me take a look and see if I still have that chart up here. There are quite a few names. So these are some of the names here, right, for the metaverse that you could look at, right? So again, so Radio Kaka, I've never actually looked at that. Decentraland is a big one, right? So again, Blocktopia is another one there, right? Again, so we have the Sandbox. So again, Meta Hero, that might be a different story there. But when you talk to people about the metaverse, actually, Wemix is there you go, Noir, right? Look at that metaverse name. Um, right, so you got nothing but time, right? So when you talk about the metaverse, most people are going to talk to you about sand and mana and names like that. We're using real money in stable coins, I would imagine, in the metaverse. Okay, how much time we gain? I'm ready to grind. Uh, in how much time I can regain? Oh, there's no timeline there for you to regain your money, right? So I don't know what to tell you. What's the red? What's the red and what's the blue? So again, that's a ranking page, right? So if you take a look at again, so you take a look at the blue on the top left hand corner there. So the blue is unique visitors, right? And the red or pink, that's just page viewers. So that's what they're using to rank and say, okay, like metaverse names, what are people looking at, right? So they're just ranking the metaverse names in terms of like, okay, this has a lot more like volume, right? Or people are looking at this a lot more, right? So that's just it. Nothing special. Where do you buy Wemix at? I have no idea. I'm sure maybe trade. I'm sure like if we go over here to crypto bubbles, we might get a ooh. Okay, no, that's just a smaller time frame there. Uh, yeah, it doesn't say here. I just thought maybe it would. I'm sure you can get this. Most of these names should be available on KuCoin or something like that. Um, don't buy the pumps. Yeah, it's upward. It's upward. Like still upward. 71%. Yeah. Nah, want to roll some bamboos? Roll some bamboo up and smoke it. Unbelievable. Um, okay, it's been changed. It's been changed. There you go. Am I invested in any gaming names? Gaming. Let me see here. Mm, like the only thing that I'd say, Stuart, would be anything that's related to the metaverse and gaming together, right? So stuff like Sand, Stuart, yeah. Is it the same as Panda music from the morning? Panda meeting music? I don't know. Unbelievable. Alrighty, let me move on to Bitcoin here. Unless you guys have more things to look at, let me see what Bitcoin looks like here. Hmm. And what does Shiba look like? Just gonna have two charts up here. So that's Bitcoin. I want to take a look at Shiba here. Or just leave it up, right? And we can put up Dogecoin if you guys want to as well. Uh, yeah, not a whole lot happening, honestly. Not a whole lot. Give me some motivation. You're feeling depressed. Some motivation, guys. So again, when I've got scammed from like $4,000, $4,500, right, to $800, and it's feeling depressed. So right? If you have any words, like any words of like motivation from Munav, please let them know. To uplift them up a little bit, and yeah. Mm, the like slot machines, just rigged to lose. No. Uh, Shiva and Mana. Okay. Interesting. New market cap. Okay. Look at his tuition. We all had to pay it at one point or another. Okay. No, again, so yeah, Munaf, again, don't feel too bad, right? Like it's a learning process. Like it's a learning process. At least now you know. Now you know. Like now you know what to do. Like not to do next time, and that's pretty important, right? So, you got scammed. There's really nothing. Again, um, I mean, there's stuff you can always. There. I don't want it to seem like you did nothing wrong. But again, like it's a learning process, right? Now you know what not to do next time. Like in terms of like research, right? It's a process, right? We all lose, like we all lose. We've all been through the process of like again, so like Stuart is saying, tuition, right? We all have to pay tuition in the market, whether that's in stocks or crypto. So don't beat yourself up too much, please and thank you. You're gonna recover, right? If you do the right things and you take this as a learning experience, right? You're gonna recover, especially in crypto, right? You can make some nice gains. So don't beat yourself up too much, please and thank you. I can even keep just find words from now. There you go. And you make it back in time. There you go. Research and quality. There you go. What's happening with Shiba, D Rock? What's happening with Shiba? It's the same thing that's happening with everything else crypto, right? For the most part, again, so everything that's following Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin recovers, Shiba recovers, right? Uh, would you ever have a mustache? Mustache? No, I don't like too much facial hair. I'm just don't like too much. I'm just lazy and it's cold outside, so I don't want to be getting like haircuts all the time. Otherwise, I would figure that of Luna or Solana. Okay. Luna. Yeah, for some reason, hmm, for some reason these commands are slacking here. We'll call. Hmm. Not sure why. Not sure why Nightbot isn't working, guys. Everyone, okay, cool. Check all la la la. I'm not sure why these Nightbot things aren't working. Yeah, I'll fix it later. Later. Yeah, none of Nightbot isn't working. 8 ball isn't working, so I have to see what I can do there. That's annoying. This year a lot of quality. Okay. Mm, you're taking the night off, Crystal? Took the night off? You took the night off? Okay, nice. Do you think Bitcoin, BTC will go back down to four? So again, down to 38 to 39. Again, like it did, like a lot of people say. I mean, we can't really predict the future, right? So we talked about these levels, right? I know you're asking, okay, so can we go back down to 40K? Below 40K, it's very possible, right? But for now, right, we're holding 42, which is impressive again. So my recommendation for you would be to, as much as people say, okay, we're going down to 38 to 39 potentially, right? I would only focus on the next level of support that we have, right? Can we hold above 42? If not, okay, cool, right? Can we take a look at $40,000? If not, okay, and then take a look at anything else, right? Try not to, we form the head and shoulder. The bottom of the shoulder that's 40 is at 40K. Even though we broke below that level, we still closed below 40K and then recovered, right? So that's a really solid sign. For now, again, focus on the next level of support, which is 42K, right? And $40,000, and then go from there. So let's talk about so-called what's that, D-Rock? What's the skull and the cross? What does that mean? Oh, the dead cross. Oh, it's yeah, it's like that's not again. So I'd be looking more to like $40,000 and a head and shoulder rather than like focusing on okay, like when is the 50-day moving average going to cross below the 200-day moving average, right? The whole dead cross there again. So most of those indicators, if you guys remember the last time that happened, right? Well, that happened. And we started balancing as that was happening, right? Why? Because those indicators are usually delayed, right? You can see that action come through. So let me see if I can find I'm not sure I want to set up a chart here now to use as an example. But again, it's usually delayed, right? So by the time you see that thing happen, right, you can see that okay, we sold up already. So again, we talked about that cross last time in June, right? But by the time that was coming to a lot of people's attention, right, Bitcoin had gone from like again all the way from 60 all the way to 35. It was finding the bottom already, right? So uh, I'd be looking more to like $40,000 and then going from there. Drops before you see that cross. No, good investment. Yeah, Sin City. Gonna be no blockchain monster. No, okay. Bitcoin death cross. No. And he says, D-Rock, usually you see the drop before you see the dead cross. Yeah, it's more about like the panicking, and that's something to pay attention to, which is important, which is important, right? Like people usually panic, uh, because the media is spamming the dead cross, right? It's not like it's nothing special. It's just oh. That's okay, Kun. No, thank you. Uh, yeah. No, for me, like the most important thing about that is like to really see what people like how people's reaction is to like the potential dead cross, right? To see the panicking. For now, let's focus on the levels, right? So, oh, by the emoji, the death cross, yeah, the skull and the thing, yeah, yeah. Again, guys, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to come join us in Discord, come join us in Discord. So come join us. Well, I'll holla later, D Rock. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Stay warm. Um, let's see where we are in the next 8 minutes, guys. And then yeah, smashed. You smashed it. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, let's see where we are in the next 8 minutes, guys. Then we can call it a night. And yeah, go from there. Be safe and invest wisely. Yeah. A question for you guys in the chat, right? Question for you guys in the chat. So let's say crypto crashes. Well, which it somewhat has, right? So we've had some decent drops, right? So give us a name, right? So let's say crypto crashes, right? And it's sitting at a really good price, right? Again, so which is the same question as like, what's your favorite, right? So just because we didn't get enough answers from this question earlier, like what would you buy at the perfect price, at the like at an absolutely amazing price? What would you buy? Would it be let me know. What do you want? La, la. Unbelievable. Crow, Mr. Toba. There's Travis, guys. Here's Travis coming on to coming to disturb us about safemoon V2 and whatnot. What's up, Travis? How are you? Dogecoin, okay. Luna, okay. Mana, Matic, Crow for you, okay. Uh, la, Ethereum, okay. Matic for you, Noir. Interesting, interesting. Laser Eye, Travis. Yeah, Travis would be Travis doesn't even need to say anything. We know what he's gonna buy, but it's already at that price. So, um, um, what time is it? Okay, lots of time. Lots of time. Plenty of time. Matic. Okay. Everything. Everything. Raymond says Solana. Okay. What's up, Travis? Travis has been busy running the SafeMoon AMAs, guys. That's what he's been busy doing. Uh, that loves Doge. Travis. No, Travis is the guy that loves SafeMoon. Um, he's been Travis might as well advise him Solana and Polygon. Okay, sounds good, Travis. Sounds good. No, whenever Travis shows up, we have fun with Travis and SafeMoon. Ah, you're safe. Yeah, there you go. Don't worry, Travis. If you take a look at the crypto bubbles here, SafeMoon is SafeMoon in the last 24 hours is beating Algo, is beating Ada, is beating Crow, is beating a lot of these names in terms of like 24-hour performance here. That's impressive, right? A lot of these projects that people like. Look at that HNT, right? Look at that Cake Noir. SafeMoon is beating Cake and Shiba. In you know, be proud. Uh, be proud, Mindy. I'm not gonna say anything to you. Not telling you anything. Here you go. How about that? Bag is big enough, and it's gonna double soon, Travis. You save moon bag, okay? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at that. Save moon is okay. No, never mind. Never mind. KSM, okay. La, 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 la. Before we start talking. Hello, Pastor Lindsay. Hello, how are you? No, no, no. Okay, you guys keep asking about my favorite project. Um, Safe Muninu. Is it on the list? No, it's not, Travis. What do you mean? The secrets, Travis. Secret, Stewart. Serious question. TFZ. Watch your statements. You don't get to know. Don't get to know. There you go. Mm. Yeah. So let's. Yeah. So let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Only some questions will not be answered, and then we can call it a night, right? So don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe. Yeah. So 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We need to know how the whales think. It's top secret. Top secret. Top secret. Stuart. It's Koju. Why would I buy Koju? What would what business do you have going through like those exchanges to buy that? Oh, sharing our secrets, Stuart. Don't worry, Stuart. The secrets, you guys know the secrets already. As an unraveled utility and will be a sheep killer. Unrivaled, rivaled utility. I'm telling you, Stuart, that thing is coming for Bitcoin. Um, don't worry, my secret's known already. You guys all have it. You guys all have it. So don't worry. Let's see here. Hmm. Alrighty, guys. But the stream is ending. Christian, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you, Christian. We're gonna call it a night, guys. Thank you guys very much for being here and hanging and talking rubbish. Uh, and talking rubbish. We'll see you guys in Discord and on the next stream. And yeah, have a good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, guys. Be safe. Um, Metapets is Metapets. We looked at Metapets like the last stream, I think. Metapets. Good night, all. Good night, Stuart. Good night, Andrew. Good night, Christy. Good night, Travis. Good night, Beth. Good night, Scotty. Good night, D Stewie. Good night. Good night, guys. Good night, Virus. Good night, Yami. See you in the AM. It's if you finish work. We need a 24-hour stream, Christian. Yeah, I'm sure when crypto pumps, I'm sure we're gonna do something like that. Alrighty, guys. Have a good night and bye, guys.